Mabuhay! Good day, everyone! I am Gwendolyn De Dios.
I am Geraldine de Mayaka. Here in Kawala, Panglao, Bicol.
We are going to conduct an interview with one of the travel agency of Bohol J Station Travel and Tours. Arat na!
Hi. We're from Crystal E College. We are going to conduct an interview about your business, ma'am. Kindly state your name first, ma'am.
Okay. My name is Jessa Nabaya, the owner of Bohol Destination Travel and Tours.
So the first question, ma'am.
So, what inspired you to start your own tour and travel business, and how did it all begin?
Kanina business, sa pag-uyap pag-ibig sa pambana kami, sigyan kami. Yan. Ano siya nga, gusto daw siya mag-put up o business. So ako siya ginungan. Kung sa po, business, kailangan po travel and tours. And so, ni anak ko mga buwan, lisod na sa ito. Asa mo na mag-start with ani. Kaya ako kaya nalay mo ko sa teachers. Siya po, si Mirror po siya, si Man. Kaya wala niya ka ng background sa tourism. So, at Bohol to Davao, mga naanak na ako travel. So, nag-try ko sa DTI. May ato ko ning seminar ko. Kaya nangutana ko dito sa Davao. Kung sa'y kuan, mga qualifications kung magtuko daw travel and tours. And so, niana itong DTI, mga taga-Davao na need ko noong tourism graduate man ang kayo dapat naka-graduate daw ng anak. Mag-isod nyo sa sumaon tayo. Ako nag-iistorya sa umbana. Ang sa manamino ni wala pa dyan yung business. Ang sa naka-anak ni ang anak na 8 years old na usa pa na mo ni na nasugda ng business. Actually, last July 18, 2024, lang siya nag-start. And the rest was history. And so, unsay naka-inspired na ako kay Bohol is a famous manggod, and then na-declare bitaw siya as the first country's UNESCO Global Geopark, including our famous chocolate fields. And so, dito may nag-part ako na ato na dyan yung sugda ng atong business by boom na dyan ang tourism sa, especially Panglao.
The second question, ma'am. What challenges did you face when establishing your business, and how did you overcome them?
Challenges? Actually, galisod yun may kaayo kay as what I have said, wala may background into tourism. And wala po may background to other businesses. Kanina doon ang first na business. And then, ang amuan lang yung gibuhat yun, aron mapanatili na positive ang among pangalan, ang brand is to give quality services to our clients. O yun na, hangtod sa naimuanhi, taga Manila, i-recommend nila ang ilang mga relatives. Kaya dili na kuha o ka ng book, mag-book na po sila sa amuang. Mora dyan ang amuang ipanghawakan yun, ang amuang trade name into a positive one.
So, the third question is, how do you ensure the quality and satisfaction of your clients' travel experiences?
So, mo to ang akong giingon katong services providers, making sure that you really handle your clients properly, as in from airport to the hotels to the accommodations to the from the ticketing, round trip tickets, and everything. And then treat them VIP. So, gikan pa lang dito sa airport na ano yung mga sabit-sabit anak nila to feel them that they are very important to us and they are very welcome in our town, Panglao.
So the fourth what trends have you observed in the tourism industry recently, and how have your business adapted to them?
Okay, so industry trends. So the rise of sustainability tourism and increase the demand for personalized immersion experiences are significant trends. So my business adapts by offering eco-friendly tours like the countryside tours, which includes the chocolate hills, the man-made forest, the tertiaries, the sanctuary tertiaries, and also the famous katong sa Lobok river cruise. O yun ilang kanunay nga kuan sa countryside tour. Another thing is our island hopping, our very famous also the Balikasag Island and the Virgin Island, and also the Napaling. Yes, maon na siya.
So the fifth question is, what are your future plans or goals for expanding or improving your tour and travel services?
So expanding, when it comes to expanding, kay technology, kuan naman ta karon no? Technology trend, I mean, let's say technology, kuan na gyud na trend kanang when it comes to marketing, diri gyud ni sa kanang sa online, kay diri na mostly ang mga tao mo inquire, makakita sa ilang ang services offered, and mo welcome na mi into technology yun.
Kaya mag-promote na.
Yes, kana yun importante. Katong first po, nag-isip po mi kay we are not really into technology. Kay kuan mga traditional pa kaayo mi karon kay you have to very knowledgeable like for everything, especially in technology. Kanang pag-post pa lang nimo unsa imong mga pakulo, and then kanang like kinahanglan na ana kay website, Instagram, and so on na makita ang among services offered.
So the last question, what is your message or advice to tourism students who aspire to succeed into this industry?
My advice to tourism students is to develop strong interpersonal skills, embrace continuous learning, and cultivate a genuine passion for travel and cultural understanding. Networking and building relationships is very crucial in this industry. Good luck to you girls, and may your dreams come